How to add a Telegram link to TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can add a Telegram link to your TikTok in the easiest way possible. So to do this, obviously you're going to go with whatever link you want. Okay, so it could be a channel link, it could be a group link. So let's say I'm going to go with this channel that I have, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to copy the code. Okay, you can also share the QR code if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link. Okay, and once the link is copied to your clipboard, just go overhead to your TikTok, and once you're in your TikTok, obviously go to your profile, and then you're going to click on edit profile, and then obviously add the link wherever you want to. You could add it in your bio, you could add it in your socials, wherever you want. Okay, so I just recommend adding it in the bio. I'm just going to come down here and obviously just go ahead and tap your link and paste it over here. So that's how you're gonna add your different types of links, including your Telegram link. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.